Our doorstop is constructed of high-quality stainless steel and rubber tips. Stainless steel by casting process makes the product firm and durable. Its sleek and classic design makes it versatile enough to fit in residential and commercial use. It is the perfect solution for stopping doors banging against walls or furniture. It is nearly impossible to be damaged, broken or scratched. Suitable even for very heavy doors. Excellent finish, satin, polished or PVD finish are available. Welcome, contact for more details.